Congratulations on completing 30 days of SQL learning. You now understand queries, filters, joins, functions, and concepts. But real confidence in SQL comes from applying it to real systems. That's why from day 31 to day 40, we move into complete SQL case studies. You will work with real world scenarios like e commerce sales, hospital management, banking systems, inventory, airlines, retail stores, hotels, and universities. Each case study will teach you how to think like a database professional, designing tables, writing meaningful queries, and solving real business problems. This final 10-day journey will transform your SQL knowledge into real world skill. By day 40, you will not just know SQL, you will be ready to use it with confidence. Let us begin the final chapter of your SQL mastery. Welcome to day 38. Today, we will work on a hotel management case study. We will apply SQL concepts to manage guests, rooms, bookings, and payments. Our hotel database has 4 tables: guest, rooms, bookings, and payments. Together, they track reservations, room details, and payments. This query joins guest, bookings, rooms, and payments to show which guest booked which room, their stay dates, and payment amount. Aggregations let us analyze room usage. This query counts bookings grouped by room type. Having filters groups after aggregation. This query shows countries that generated more than 100,000 in revenue. Window functions let us rank guests by spending. This query calculates total spend per guest and assigns ranks. We can save queries as views. This view lists all occupied rooms with check-in and check-out dates. Transactions ensure consistency. For example, marking a room as booked, recording the booking, and completing payment must succeed together. Here are some mini challenges. Find the top 5 guests by spending. Show room types with average bookings above 50. Create a view for pending payments and write a transaction for room booking. Your assignment: build a hotel dataset with guest, rooms, bookings, and payments. Write queries to join tables, aggregate bookings, rank guests, create views, and use transactions. To summarize, today you applied joins, aggregations, having, window functions, views, and transactions in a hotel management case study. Tomorrow, we will move into a university management system case study.